action.
Is it rolling?
It's rolling.
Did you say rolling?
Did it? No.
I felt like you didn't say rolling.
No, I just
How
said
are we
go.
supposed to know? What kind of director are you?
I'm not. You are.
So,
Action.
hi, I'm Erica,
Hi, I'm Emily.
and we are here today shooting this skit for you guys. The Meet Cute. We hope you liked it. We like to laugh. At least we both like to laugh. I don't know about you, but we love laughing. If you'd like to see more videos from us at Art Casa Media, you want to subscribe to our channel.
Here.
Right there. There? Or is it
Right here.
right there?
Right there.
E.T. phone home. I got long nails. So, yeah, check us out. Subscribe. We'll hopefully be coming up with more of this stuff for you guys to actually enjoy and entertain yourselves with. So, yeah, I'm going to go cut my nails now.